Clove Bud has a spicy, rich scent and is effective against minor aches and pains, particularly dental pain, because of its numerous effects on the oral tissues. Clove Bud can be used for acne, cuts, bruises, preventing infections, and as a pain reliever. It helps with toothaches, mouth sores, rheumatism, and arthritis. For the digestive system, it helps to prevent vomiting, diarrhea, flatulence, spasms, and parasites. It is also effective against bad breath. Clove oil is valuable for relieving respiratory problems like bronchitis, asthma, and tuberculosis. Its disinfecting feature makes it useful for infectious diseases. Clove oil's therapeutic properties are analgesic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, antineuralgic, carminative, anti-infectious, disinfectant, insecticide, tonic, stomatic, uterine, and as a stimulant. This oil may cause sensitization in some individuals and should be used in dilution. Avoid use during pregnancy. Clove bud is a middle note.